Crystal clear. Yeah, Sophia. Ticket to EZM. I know it's like a lot of things you said, like, oh, nation will lock down now. Up my brush. Something into. I hate it when it happens like that. Like something is. Okay, I have a green right here. Dab in my green. Just put it here so I don't want to drop into my monomer. Okay. Kaya, you said you love to see green. Here's green for you. Happy St. Patty's Day to everyone. Great. Leave it alone. Okay. Oh, this color is so pretty. You gotta experience it yourself because it's really pretty on my end. I need the different paper right there. Okay, now I am going to put clear to cover that. Thin layer. Till the nails down. Oh, live in lovely. I am using Chisel nail art. I'm sorry, I was like, and Chisel nail art for powder and liquid gunpowder. I'm using CND retention. Sweetie, I'm so sorry. I'm like keep going on and on and on. Just use a body and brush and then just really like a baby your powder instead of just like drag them all down because then they're gonna pull all of the powder is gone. And I share with this, which is really simple and easy for beginner because this all beginner can achieve this one. It's so easy. Don't worry and don't like stress about like 1 bead, 2 beads, as long as you get like small portion, so easy for you to control it, and then you can move to the 1 beads of crystal application, the liquid gunpowder application. I'm going to green right here, just a smaller portion, and do it right where my glitter is. And using a body when it's still wet is the best time for you to blend it down. Wipe the brush and I can see it's blended better. Pick up the second beads and work on the cuticle. This is green is so beautiful. And then The only thing we need to do is apply clear right. If you want to add some like green butterflies here, it looks really good as well. It looks so much better when you put the clear on it. I mean the top coat. So I'm gonna using a crystal clear and apply right between where the powder is. And then move towards the center. It's good to get it wet. Sometimes it's good to get it set, but I want to work when it's a little bit still wet, because then I can blend it and cover the powder. And then a connection between the green and the glitter. Using a brush. Great. I'm gonna let it set. This one look good with crystal though. Looks good. Okay, set. How many colors do we have it now? Do one